Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix delete option missing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, when you select any file and right click on that and there the delete option is missing on that, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. Guys, usually this may be the issue with your drive. For that, what you have to do, just click on search menu, then type cmd, right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Click on run as administrator. Here you need to type disk part, hit enter. After that, type list disk, hit enter. If you are using multiple hard drives, you will find here multiple drives. If you are using only single hard disk, you will find only single hard disk. Select the drive which you are facing the issue with. For example, I will select as disk 1. So I will type select disk 1, then hit enter. Now our disk has been selected. Here what you need to type, ADDRIBUTES space disk clear space read only. Read only should be continue. You have to not give any space in between this. After typing this, just hit enter. After that, just close this window and restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix delete option is missing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.